Hello everyone, thank you so much, and I hope you have a good time. Today I'll be creating one small project, a demo which will show the integration between Spring Boot framework and IBM MQ middleware integration system. As you know, we have so many integration system like Kafka as of now. IBM MQ is one of them, wherein the data is transferred in form of XML, and on Kafka primarily we use JSON. I'd like to uh, put up some of the advantages here. If you're going with the plain old Java code solution like the JMS solution, you'll have to write so many things. You'll have to create the connection factory session. You'll have to manage so many things to connect to any middleware system and then write a message and then read a message. It's a complex process. But with the Spring framework, you have everything uh, created. You just need to use the annotation and there are small configuration in the application.property and you're good to use that. So I've already created one project com example IBM MQ, and if you see the dependency, we need startup web and this MQJMS Spring Boot starter up to 2.0 is the version. And in the application properties, what you need, I'm currently using 8081 is the port, and as part of MQ properties, you need queue manager name, MQ channel name, connection name, and then user password if it is already a, if the authentication is imposed on your broker. So this is the application properties detail, and I've created one controller which is doing just writing the string messages into this queue. This is a queue name, you can replace with your queue name. This is the message. So using this JMS template, it has everything. Once you auto wire, it has the method convert and send. It has the method uh, received and convert. Okay, so while sending method, sending data, writing data into queue, we are using this convert and send. So this is a simple example. Similarly, I'm receiving the message. So this is a very small application, but it will show you the connectivity between Spring Boot and IBM MQ. What you need is to any tool which through which you can access the endpoint. So I'm currently using this Postman. I'll try to write message here. Okay, and this was the endpoint which is writing the message into queue, and I have one more endpoint which will read the message. So if you see here, this was the message that I've written into queue, and I've read it as well. So this is how it's very simple. You just need to put the property detail here, and then through anyway, either you have the controller or through services, you can use this AutoWire functionality for the JMS template. Just create an object and use the method to read and write the messages. And in the dependency, you just need this additional dependency for JMS. So that's all. It's pretty simple, and yes. So I think this will help you. I'm also planning to create one demo which will show the integration between Spring Boot and Kafka. So I'll try to create one more video. I would request to like and subscribe my channel so that you'll be getting the latest update. Thank you so much for your time.